Hello?
Coach Fullerton.
What is up? How are you?
Good, how are you?
Doing amazing. I'm expecting another call, so that's why I answered it so not like I normally do.
Sorry, did you want to wait for that other call?
No. You're good.
Okay. So I have been working with a keto coach.
Did you find them on TikTok?
No, not on TikTok. On Instagram. But I've been struggling to lose weight after my second kid. And when she sent over my macros, they seemed rather low. She had me at like 1,500 calories. And it just makes me very nervous to go that low, especially with how active I am.
No, yeah,
so I'm wondering
absolutely.
if you could recommend a better calculator or a better place to find my macros. I know I tried it on your website a little bit ago, but is that the best place to go?
Yeah, for sure. You called me, so I'm going to do all of it for you.
Okay.
I'm going to say, use and abuse me here. Seriously, like, it's crazy. Like, I do this for free, and no one calls me. Are you paying this person right now?
I am not. No, I just paid them for like a one-time macro
Got it.
meal plan.
All right, how old are you?
I am 33.
33. How tall?
5'7".
5'7". What's your weight at?
175.
175. How many days a week are you working out?
5 to 6.
5 to 6.
I'm actually a CrossFit coach.
Are you doing weights and cardio?
Yes.
You're doing CrossFit 5-6 days a week?
Yeah.
Yeah. Tell your whoever she is, she doesn't know what she's doing. I would do 2,000 calories a day.
Okay.
You would have been dying, girl.
Yeah, I know. I'm like starving to death, and then I can't, because then I binge at night. So I'm like all day I'm good. I eat my meat and veggies, and then at nighttime I'm like starving.
Yep, that's what happens to everybody. If you're under eating too much, and night times when everybody's like, I can't control it, I'm gonna eat everything in the house.
Yeah. Yep. Okay, that sounds better to me. Thank you.
Hey, absolutely. So yeah, I would do 2,000 and then just divide it up 3 meals a day. Super easy. Sounds like you're just doing meat and veggies. Don't worry about macros. Throw the macro thing out the window.
Okay.
It'll
I just
make it
focused on veggies, meat, and can I have a little bit of fruit? I really like watermelon.
do the watermelon before your workout.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah, you'll be fine. You're so active, it's gonna be fine. But yeah, you gotta definitely take in those calories.
Okay, yeah, I just felt like I kept stalling, and I know a lot of it's just because I was so hungry at the end of the day that I would have another snack or another, you know what I mean, something just to fill it in. But
Yep,
all right.
absolutely.
Sounds good. Thank you.
Hey, you got it. Thanks for calling in. I appreciate it.
Yeah, thanks.
All right, bye. Yeah, guys. It's crazy what these people are giving others, like these coaches, nutritionists, trainers. Just because they have a ton of followers on TikTok doesn't mean they know what they're doing. Just because they're attractive and have a good body doesn't mean they actually know how to help you lose body fat. So when you guys pay these people $200, $500 a month, come to me first. I'm free. Come to me first. If you don't get results doing exactly what I talk about, then go pay these people. Then go for it. But you're not going to. You won't.